Welcome to Bukidnon. We are up here in the mountains, and behind us you see a sign, the Kumaykay River Farm. When I first met these two gentlemen, I thought they were lovers. They were so sweet.
We're cousins.
Yeah, of course. How can I ever forget? That was such a beautiful day. They cooked amazing Michelin material food, really from here. You played the piano, you painted, and the food, and it was just so beautiful. This is how food should be. A gathering of amazing people, enjoying life, simple joys, right?
Yep.
So Chino
Hello.
and JJ,
Hello.
thank you
Welcome.
for welcoming us. We are so excited. We're gonna do about 6, maybe 7 dishes. We're gonna sing, we're gonna dance, we're gonna cook, we're gonna eat.
Drink.
Healthy.
Healthy.
Malunggay mojitos.
All right.
All that's happening in a bit.
You can chew it, smell it.
Garlic talaga. When you cut it, and it's edible.
Yeah.
Is there a flour also?
No. There's sometimes.
For our salad. Perfect.
Let's go to kola.
Ito?
No.
This one, yeah. But this is sorrel, right?
I don't know.
Hala, I might feed us.
That's sorrel.
So sorrel family, it's got a nice lemon peppery vibe. It's delicious, guys. Really yummy. Grows wild is anti-aging. But then all our greens are high in chlorophyll and they're really all anti-aging. This is kind of special. I forgot the name, but it's peppery. Yeah, just growing wild. They're so pretty. Look at that. So picture that on a salad, right? With elderflowers.
This is one of the most healthiest herbs that you can. Because it's richer than salmon.
So apparently, according to JJ, this is even rich like salmon. Omega-3. Awesome. The supermarket. Really nice rich soil. What's in your soil, JJ?
Nothing.
Nothing. So it's Bukidnon soil.
It's all naturally grown.
Little mustasa. And then I think we're good.
Mustasa with watermelon and lettuce.
This is called the wood sorrel. It's beautiful. It's lemony, limey. That's just perfect. So look at those colors for a salad, right? Of course, I'm using it.
Sabrina's kitchen, what you waiting for? Sabrina's kitchen, cooking up a storm.